welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to start a new lesson called Rashmi's Gift. This lesson is about a girl whose name is Rashmi. Now we will see what is Rashmi's gift and to whom she is going to gift something. So let's start the lesson. Good morning, Rashmi, Nani said as she opened the windows to let in the early morning sun rays. Nani means who? Rashmi's grandmother is waking up Rashmi. She is saying, Good morning, Rashmi, as she opened the windows to let in the early morning sun rays. Oh, Nani, why do I have to wake up so early? It is vacation time, wailed Rashmi. Wailed means screamed. Rashmi screamed, Oh, Nani, why do I have to wake up so early? It is vacation time. यहाँ पे रश्मि को उसकी नानी उठा रही है. जैसे ही वो कर्टन खोलती है, पर्दे खोलती है, वो रश्मि से कहती है, रश्मि गुड मॉर्निंग. फिर रश्मि चिल्लाने लगती है और कहती है, ओ नानी, वाई डू आई हैव टू वेक अप सो अर्ली, इट इज़ वेकेशन टाइम. रश्मि कहती है कि मेरी तो छुट्टियाँ चल रही है, मैं क्यों उठूँ. वेक अप एंड गेट रेडी क्विकली रश्मि, इट इज़ टाइम फॉर आवर वॉक. नानी सेड फर्मली, आई वुड लाइक टू सी यू डाउनस्टेयर इन 10 minutes. अब नानी रश्मि से कहती है, वेक अप एंड गेट रेडी क्विकली, तुम जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ और मुझे नीचे मिलो 10 मिनट के अंदर. रश्मि rolled out of bed reluctantly and finished her morning chores. How boring, she grumbled as she trudged behind Nani, still rubbing the sleep out of her eyes. Reluctantly means unwillingly. Grumbled means complain something. Trudged means walk slowly. Now Rashmi rolled out of the bed reluctantly. रश्मि अपनी इच्छा के बिना बेड से उठती है, अपने मॉर्निंग के काम करती है और जैसे ही she trudged behind her नानी, जैसे ही नानी के पीछे जाने लगती है, she grumbled, वो कुछ कंप्लेन करने लगती है. क्या कहती है? How boring. Still rubbing the sleep out of her eyes means she is still sleepy. Here, hold these. Nani thrust 2 empty bottles into Rashmi's hand. She also carried 2 bottles. नानी रश्मि के हाथ में 2 bottles थमाती है और खुद भी 2 bottles कैरी करती है. Rashmi was curious. Why are we carrying these bottles, Nani? What will we do with them? Where are we going? Why are you wearing whistle around your neck? She fired one question after another. रश्मि बहुत क्यूरियस रहती है, उससे बहुत उत्सुकता रहती है जानने की हाँ कहाँ जा रहे हैं. वो एक के पीछे एक सवाल पूछने लगती है. क्या पूछते हैं? Why are we carrying these bottles, Nani? What will we do with them? Where are we going? Then नानी कहती है, Quite, you will know soon. Nani said as she mumbled about the lack of patience among the youngsters. Mumbled means बड़बड़ाना. फिर नानी बड़बड़ाने लगती है, Quite, you will know soon. They were joined by a group of children and adults, all carrying bottles in their hands, as they made their way up the hill behind Nani's house. नानी के घर के पीछे क्या था? एक हिल था. तो इन्हें रश्मि को और नानी को कौन ज्वाइन करते हैं? चिल्ड्रन एंड अडल्ट. कुछ बच्चे और बड़े लोग उन्हें ज्वाइन करते हैं और सब कहाँ जाने लगते हैं? They made their way up the hill behind the house. नानी के घर के पीछे जो हिल रहता है उसके पास जाने लगते हैं. Just when Rashmi started beginning to lose her patience and enthusiasm, Nani blew whistle twice. It seemed to be the signal for everyone to stop. Just when Rashmi beginning to lose her patience and enthusiasm, जैसे ही रश्मि की उत्सुकता ख़त्म होने लगी, नानी ने क्या किया? 2 बार सीटी बजाई. जो उनके गले में सीटी थी उसको 2 बार बजाई. वो एक इशारा था कि सब लोगों को अभी रुकना है. All right, folks, let us be organized, Nani stated. All the children divided themselves into small groups led by adults. Then each group started walking towards a brook. Brook means a small stream that trickle means flow, trickled down the hill. All right, folks, let us get organized. नानी कहती है कि अब हम अच्छी तरह ऑर्गेनाइज हो जाते हैं. चिल्ड्रन ने क्या किया, बच्चों ने क्या किया, छोटे छोटे ग्रुप बनाए और उस ग्रुप्स को लीड किया बड़े लोगों ने। फिर वो कहाँ जाने लगे, एक छोटी सी नदी स्ट्रीम के पास जो पहाड़ से, हिल से नीचे फ्लो कर रही थी। What is happening here? Rashmi thought as she joined the children filling their bottles from the brook. Their children were filling their bottles from the brook. यहाँ पे बच्चे अपनी बॉटल्स उस छोटे से ब्रूक से, छोटे से स्ट्रीम से, ब्रूक से पानी भर रहे थे। तो रश्मि सोचती है यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, what is happening here? Nani walked towards Rashmi as she struggled with her 2 bottles now heavy with water. So Rashmi was also carrying 2 bottles filled with water. Nani says, "Here, give me one, Rashmi, kindly, and come with me." Nani says very kindly to Rashmi, "Here, give me one, Rashmi, and come with me." Now, where are we going, Nani? Rashmi could not contain her curiosity anymore. Now Rashmi is asking her Nani, where are we going, Nani? We are going to water the saplings, Nani said and smiled. Sapling means young trees. What? Water the saplings? What for? Rashmi asked with a bit of disappointment. Well, Rashmi, look at these hills carefully and tell me what you see, Nani said as she led a group of children. What do I see? What do I see? Asked Rashmi to herself. Now Rashmi is thinking that what she can see there. Nani, I see hills, she answered a bit sheepishly. Sheepishly means embarrassedly. She tells Nani that she sees what? Only hills. That is quite an observation, laughed Nani. Now Nani is laughing and saying that is quite an observation. However, I was talking about the vegetation. Do you see any plants on them? नानी पूछती है क्या तुम इस हिल पे कुछ पेड़ पौधे देख सकती हो? Actually, no, said Rashmi as she looked at the hills carefully. The hillside were brown and raw. They did not have a single green patch. What happened to all these trees here? She asked. Rashmi कहती है मुझे तो यहाँ पे कुछ पेड़ पौधे नहीं दिखाई देते हैं, यहाँ पे कोई ग्रीन पैच, हरियाली नहीं है. What happened to all these trees here? She asked. For years, the nomads of the region have cut the woods for fuel. Nomads mean बंजारे लोग. तो बंजारे लोगों ने, नानी कहती है यहाँ पे जो बंजारे लोग रहते थे उन्होंने पूरे यहाँ के पेड़ पौधों को काट दिया है. In their ignorance, they have cut off the entire green cover. Today, the hills lie barren and dry, the topsoil loose and gravelly. Explained Nani. नानी कहती है यहाँ पे जो नोमैड्स थे, बंजारे थे, उन्होंने यहाँ पे पूरे पेड़ पौधों को काट दिया है और यहाँ की जो धरती है वो बंजारी हो गई है. In fact, for a long time, this hill behind our society was being used as dumping ground for garbage. नानी कहती है यहाँ पे एक टाइम पे लोग क्या फेंकते थे, कचरा फेंकने के लिए ये जगह बन गई थी. All the families of Madhuban Park got together and thought of solution. इसके बाद मधुबन सोसाइटी के लोगों ने मिलकर एक सॉल्यूशन निकाला. We collected funds and then approached the forest department to buy saplings. The officials actually applauded our efforts and were very helpful. They not only provided free saplings for free but also helped to plant them. फिर हम सोसाइटी के लोगों ने क्या किया, फंड्स को, पैसों को इकट्ठा किया और किन्हें अप्रोच किया, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को अप्रोच किया टू बाय सैपलिंग्स, छोटे छोटे पेड़ पौधे खरीदने के लिए फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को अप्रोच किया. फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट वाले इतने खुश हुए कि उन्होंने हमें सैपलिंग फ्री दे दिए और हमें मदद भी की प्लांट करने के लिए, बट ऑल्सो हेल्प्ड टू प्लांट देम. They taught us how to take care of the sapling and nurture them till they become full-grown trees. They means forest department people taught them how to take care of the sapling and nurture till they become full-grown trees. Ever since, we have been watering these saplings every alternate day. तब से हम लोग इन sapling को alternate days पे पानी डाल रहे हैं और उनकी देखभाल कर रहे हैं। ऑसम, रश्मि वॉज इम्प्रेस्ड। रश्मि बहुत ही इम्प्रेस हो गई और कहने लगी ऑसम। नानीज इमोशनल स्पीच ऑल्सो गेव बर्थ टू अ वंडरफुल आइडिया इन हर माइंड। इससे इम्प्रेस होके रश्मि ने कहा ऑसम, फिर उसे एक आइडिया भी आया। वो इस चीज़ से इतनी इंस्पायर हो गई कि उसके दिमाग में एक ख्याल आया, एक बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया आया। अ फ्यू डेज लेटर नानी वॉज अवेकन्ड बाय Rashmi as she drew aside the curtains of her window to let in the pale early morning sun. जैसे ही नानी ने रश्मि को उस दिन उठाया था, वैसे ही रश्मि ने नानी को आज उठाया और कहने लगी राइज एंड शाइन नानी। She says rise and shine Nani. Rashmi chirped as the amazed Nani looked at her bright-eyed granddaughter. My goodness, the sun is already out. नानी कहती है My goodness, the sun is already out, said Nani, bothered at being found sleeping late. Come on Nani, hurry up. Come on Nani, hurry up. I'll meet you downstairs in 10 minutes, said Rashmi teasingly as she skipped down the stairs. Rashmi took Nani along the path that led up the hill. She carried 2 bottles of water and a brown paper packed with her. Why the bottles of water, Rashmi? asked Nani. Today is not watering day. Rashmi took Nani along the path that led to hill. रश्मि हिल के रास्ते नानी को ले जाने लगी और उसके पास क्या था 2 bottles of water and a brown paper packet with her. Then Nani asked, why the bottles of water, Rashmi? Today is not watering day. नानी कहती है आज तो पानी देने का समय नहीं है, तो तुम बॉटल क्यों कैरी कर रही हो? I have my surprises too, Nani, Rashmi said smugly. Please be a bit patient. अब रश्मि नानी से कहती है मेरे पास भी कुछ सरप्राइज है नानी, थोड़ा धीरज रखिए. Soon they reached the small ridge which was usually meeting point. Rashmi whipped out a whistle from her pocket and gave 2 shrill notes. Suddenly all the children and their team leaders started appearing from various hiding points. What is going on? thought Nani as she looked at the sparkling eyes of her excited grandchild. On the count of 3, the entire gathering burst out singing Happy Birthday Nani. As soon as they reached the hilltop, the small ridge which was their usual meeting point, Rashmi does what? She whipped out a whistle from her pocket and gave 2 shrill notes. रश्मि ने अपने फ्रेंड्स को इशारा दिया और सब लोग बाहर आके गाने लगे हैप्पी बर्थडे नानी. Nani was overcome with emotions. I completely forgot my birthday, she thought. But Rashmi remembered what a loving child she is. She must have gone through a lot of trouble to organize this surprise. Nani dabbed at eyes which were streaming with joy. नानी की आंखें ये सब देखकर भर आई. उन्होंने सोचा कि उनकी ग्रैंड-डॉटर कितनी लविंग है, कितनी प्यारी है. However, Rashmi's surprise was not yet over. रश्मि का सरप्राइज अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ था. Please come Nani, please come here Nani, she called. रश्मि अपनी नानी को बुलाती है, कहती है Please come here Nani. She held out a tiny sapling in her clasped hands. Let us plant this sapling on your birthday. Now Rashmi says to her grandmother that please come here Nani. Then she held out a tiny sapling in her clasped hand and she says, let us plant this sapling on your birthday. After Nani finished planting and watering the sapling, Rashmi said, Nani, you gave me a wonderful gift this holiday. The gift of trees. Rashmi says, Nani, you gave me what? A wonderful gift this holiday. The gift of what? The gift of trees. I wanted to gift you a tree in return. She then placed a little placard next to the sapling. This is placard. The placard read, for my dearest Nani, happy birthday. So what is Rashmi's gift now? a small sapling and a little placard which read, "For my dearest Nani, happy birthday." Rashmi then turned towards the gathering and said, "Friends, our grandparents and their parents have planted the trees we see around us so that we can enjoy their shade and shelter. Indiscriminate cutting of trees is harming our environment. Today, let us vow to save trees. A tree benefits everyone in this and future generations. Let us gift a tree to all our loved ones and gift a green earth to our future generations." Kids, this paragraph is very important. Listen again carefully. Rashmi then turned towards the gathering and said, रश्मि पूरे गैदरिंग के सामने मीन्स वहाँ पे जो जो लोग थे उनके सामने कहती है, "Friends, our grandparents and their parents have planted the trees we see around us so that we can enjoy their shade and shelter." जो हम आज पेड़ पौधे देख रहे हैं, बड़े बड़े पेड़ देख रहे हैं, उसे किसने लगाया है? हमारे माँ बाप, उनके माँ बाप ने लगाया है। मीन्स हमारी पहले की जनरेशन ने लगाया है ताकि हम आज उनकी छाँव को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। इनडिस्क्रिमिनेट कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज हार्मफुल आर एनवायरनमेंट। पेड़ों को काटना बहुत ही हानिकारक है हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए। टुडे लेट अस वाउ टू सेव ट्रीज। आज हम कसम खाते हैं कि ट्रीज को सेव करेंगे, अपने एनवायरनमेंट को सेव करेंगे। A tree benefits everyone in this and future generation. Let us gift a tree to all our loved ones and gift a green earth to our future generation. Rashmi says, let us gift a tree to all our loved ones. हमें जो जो बहुत ही प्रिय है उन्हें हम क्या गिफ्ट करेंगे? एक एक ट्री गिफ्ट करेंगे ताकि वो उन्हें लगा सके और हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में क्या हो? बहुत सारी हरियाली हो। Why? Because trees not only give us oxygen, they also give us food that we eat. So we need trees to save our environment. So this is the lesson called Rashmi's gift. So what was Rashmi's gift? Rashmi's gift was a sapling and a placard to her grandmother. So this is about this lesson. So I hope you have understood this lesson and I hope you will plant many trees and you will gift your friends what? Trees. Next time अगर आपको किसी को कुछ गिफ्ट देना है तो आप गिफ्ट के तौर पे एक छोटा सा पेड़ या पौधा भी अपने फ्रेंड को दे सकते हैं. यू कैन गिफ्ट अ सैपलिंग टू योर फ्रेंड. Okay, so see you in next class. Till then, take care and study well.